students have saved up 35 Tiger Pride tickets in order to be able to tie somebody in the face. Please come on up. We've got Elsie Mewali, Nathan, or not Nathan, we have Ann Wynn, and 2 from room 42, please come on up. Elsie, who are you going to tie? Jeremiah, please come on down. Jeremiah is going to be our time base. 2, who are you tying? Henry Rodas. And Nathan Alvarez, please come to the stage. All right, Elsie, what's your birthday? November? April and February. All right, Ann, come on over.
Dễ bự vậy.
Nathan. Nathan, are you ready? Make sure. All right, students, are you ready? Remember, we're not playing them hard, softly, and swishing around. All right, everybody ready? 3, 2, 1. Should have told Nathan, don't open your mouth. All right. Let's give Nathan a big round of applause. All right, Elsie is up next. All right, Jeremiah, are you ready? No? Change your mind? No? All right. Everybody, 3, 2, 1. Santa Claus. All right. This is our last official pie of the school year. Who's up, Ann? Or 2? 2, are you ready? Yes. Henry, thumbs up if you're ready. Everybody say go, Henry. There we go. 3. Oh, I can't hear you guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Remember, don't open your mouth. Doesn't taste good. All right, let's give a big round of applause to all 3 of our students who got pie today, and then take them to the second period and try to take it 2 pie. All right, parents, family members, thank you again for coming to support your kids, our students. We appreciate you coming out. Students, great school year. Give me a big thumbs up for a great school year. I am very proud of everything you've been able to achieve, and I'm looking forward to an even better school year next school year. Sounds good? All right, students, look to your teachers to be released. Look to your teachers to be dismissed from the assembly. Thank you.